A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria, in Germany. Today's topic, SIKU. So these two Porsches, two 911, are my first cars from the brand SIKU. And I want to take a quick look at these cars, maybe do a little comparison to Hot Wheels and Majorette. So till now I wasn't too impressed by these SIKU cars. Normally I don't like how they do the headlights and the taillights. Sometimes it looks, I don't know how to say, quite cheap, I don't know. Anyways, and I also I think this whole packaging and isn't really exciting. I mean, look at this blue and this corner stuff. Yeah, nothing too exciting. Anyways, now I saw these two Porsches and I thought they do look very good, and so let's start. Take a look at them. So this one here does look very cool. Like the headlights, I mean, they have no details behind the plastic pieces. To be honest, I have no idea if they are part of the inner plastic piece. Maybe they are. Got a really nice Porsche badge on the hood. Painted taillights. So, as you can see, we have a metal body, plastic base, and I don't know, they don't have any suspension, but they do have opening parts. Okay, yeah. So the thing is, these doors do open very smoothly, but they open in kind of a strange way. I mean, so you can have a good look into the interior. Yeah, but this does look a little bit strange. I don't know what you are thinking about. But anyways, I think this is a very cool casting, especially as I said, the lens headlights. I do really like them, a really cool Porsche. The only downside, in my opinion, of this one here are the wheels. Yeah, they are very generic. In my opinion, they don't fit the car. If they would do a better job on that, this thing here would be really cool. But I haven't mentioned the price so far. These are cars that I bought here in Germany for €5, and I think that's a fair price for them. As you can see, SIKU always puts the specs of the car on the base. So you can see 580 horsepower and so on and so on. So really cool. Let's go on with the other one. I mean, it's the same car basically, but this one in police livery. We got a very big light bar, top of the car. To be honest, these cast-in license plates do not look very good in my opinion. You get the painted headlights, the painted taillights. Yeah, and the wheels to look very cheap, but that's the way it is. This one for sure has also these opening doors that work perfectly but look a little bit weird. But maybe that's because, I mean, I think these are more cars that are made as toys, so perfectly for children. So let's take a quick look how they roll. Yeah, that is okay. And now I would say let's do a quick comparison to these two guys here. These are Porsches from Majorette. So this is interesting. I think there are, let's take a look. As you can see, they are smaller than the SIKU Porsches, and these are even let's take a look, 160 scale, I think. Yes, 160. So the SIKUs are even bigger. So these Majorettes always also come with lensed headlights. They are a little more forked up, or I don't know how to say, blurry than those from SIKU. You got a little gap here, but that's because the hood is opening, doesn't open too far, and it opens a little bit too easy, but that's the way it is. But this one also has opening doors. Yeah, I think the way that these doors open is a little bit better. And we got a roof rack with skis on it. And the Majorette cars always, or most of them, have a suspension, and these Porsches also do have a suspension. Same thing with this one here. So what I wanted to show you at last is this one here. This is a Hot Wheels premium car, the Honda Civic in a custom version with this Eibach deco on it. So this guy is a very, very smooth roller. Really cool. But as you can see, I mean, it's a cool diecast car. The thing is, these premium cars, Hot Wheels premiums, are, in my opinion, way too expensive here in Germany. I think in the US you can get them for $6 or $7, but here in Germany you pay 10 euros for them, which is, yeah, quite a lot, I think. And I mean, if you compare it to these other ones, these are €5 cars, and they have suspension, lensed headlights, they have opening parts. So yeah, I mean, in the end, it's your decision. I think from time to time I will buy a Hot Wheels premium car, but as I said, the problem is they are, in my opinion, a little bit too expensive. So yeah, I think these are very cool cars. Besides it's a weird way the doors are opening, and yeah, maybe the wheels could look a little bit more authentic or could be more detailed, I don't know. But I mean, in the end, it's all a matter of price. So yeah, that's the way they do it. And I mean, they put the effort in some other details of the car. That's the way it goes. So these are my two first SIKU cars added to the collection. Yeah, I don't know how many more of these will get into my collection. So, if you did like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel. I say thanks for watching, happy hunting, see you next time. Bye.